Number one, ukusayina uSipho nowadays manje ngimthanda, it's risky. It's like having a woman who's so beautiful omekahle but ikhanda likho. uSipho manje kule situation akuyo. Chiefs and Pirates. I would love those two teams. I think I would love to see uSipho kula mathima ethu. Pirates kune surrounding, kunabo Mfukeng, kunabo Nkotha bazomcompliment. Butito Maswangai.
Quality players.
Bam need uSipho futhi.
Quality players.
They need Sipho Mbuli. Yabo, the second best team in the country after Sundowns.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs, the problem is, for me, a coaching, the philosophy of the coach, the surrounding of which type of players that they're going to sign even now. I love to, I wish ngathi bangamsign manje. But maba sign uSipho, they must sign about 7 or 8 as a compliment to Sipho. We're talking about top class players, afana similar. Angeke babe uwe, but more or less equality be the same. Whatever that will come, kuzomela ithathe now. And mina engakushock Chiefs even in Paris, they're not going to sign them. Lama team lawo brand yawo utso can tell naye, can testify that. Benginama friend amanye Chiefs at Pirates and angeke mention amagama abo ngicela ukukhulumela mina. Those teams, they don't care how talented you are. They can find any talent around the country. They've got money network everywhere. But now this thing we can play now abadlala without those talented players. So into engiyaziyo just ukuphendula uSipho contract yakhe manje izoba namahloso, signing on fee ngisho mina ngeke ayijole. Another stuff, a contract ngeke favor Sipho at all. And kuzoba na this thing which should anything happen we had kube ne proof we're terminating a contract with immediate effect.
Start their journey by speaking to an Old Mutual financial advisor today. Invest in their future. Do great things every day.